Something doing over there.
Ozzy, come. Yes, there you are, buddy. Ozzy, come.
Good girl.
Ink? Oh, she can't see. What? In ink?
Yes,
Yeah, you should probably send me ink, I think.
Here.
Okay, I'll have to take. And then I think you need to initial. Excuse me, there will be no visiting. I know you like to visit, but
Oh,
there'll be
she's
no
not.
visiting.
She doesn't get a spirit of the rest home.
Good boy.
Tell her visits are important in rest homes.
She says we can't visit till after we run because we get silly and goofy, and then if we hurt ourselves, we can't run. And then we'd be sad.
All right, you're torturing me. What did he get?
Oh, hang on. Let me tell you. What's your number?
I don't have a number.
You're 72. Cody, stop it. What was the last score sheet that you just did for the college?
For the college?
73 or 205? 205.
205? What did you do wrong?
I didn't do nothing wrong, Mommy. I did what you told me to do. Finish the right turn and halt the...
What? What did I screw up?
Finish right, so it's on number 9, and then halt the 90 degree.
was
And then your bonus was 7.
He was crooked. That's probably it. Yeah. Okay. 205. We'll take it. That's what he got yesterday.
Yeah, we like consistency.
Consistent.
Good. I know it's gonna work. I'm so bad. Come here. I know you love to visit. That's your deal.
Okay. I'm sorry. Well, we're consistent.
Stay.
No, we don't have them. Beautiful.